Each of us has a dream, a heart's desire. It calls to us. And when we're brave enough to listen and bold enough to pursue, that dream will lead us on a journey to discover who we're meant to be. All we have to do is look inside our hearts and unlock the magic within.
Ready to begin, let the wonder take hold.
Feel it draw you in. What's the moment unfold? Talking to you, we're meant to follow. Turning out for you tomorrow.
Every step we take brings a new hope, a new day.
Every choice we make helps us find that own way.
Every wish might be born into motion, loving you with our hearts wide open.
There's magic in the air tonight, and anything can happen.
Just one day, and then I swear I'll be content with my share of resent, of despair. All that left, I don't care. Out there.
Destiny lies within you. You just have to be brave enough to see it, and then the journey begins. I will hear every story take hold of my own dream. Face down with the seas, our story, and then love is I know, chase the wind, touch the sky.
side opens up a whole new world of possibilities.
That's what friends are for.
Friend, never had a friend, never had a friend, never had a friend. Never had a friend, Some people are worth nothing for.
Say goodbye to the pain of the past. We don't have to feel it anymore. There's an open door. There's an open door. There's an open
You'll be here in my lifted,
and the last I see the light, and it's like the sky is blue, and it's warm and real and bright, and the world is somehow shifted. All at once, everything is different now that
speak.
Flower that blooms in adversity is the most rare and beautiful of all.
I have often dreamed of a far place where a hero's would be waiting for me.
Where the crowds would cheer when they see my face.
And a voice keeps saying, this is where I'm meant to be.
And so our journey comes to an end, but yours continues on. Grab hold of your dreams and make them come true. For you are the key to unlocking your own magic. Now go. Let your dreams guide you. Reach out and find your happily ever after.
The battles, the stories, the losses, and all the glory were changed by the way we lived every day. Just look up and reach to the sky. We all have the courage to fly.
You can fly.